Welcome to the Number Crunch tutorial video. Please pay close attention so your team can successfully enjoy the activity. Number Crunch is a strategy meets numbers team game. Let's get acquainted with the game board. At the top left, we have a play number. At the top right, we have a timer. The game board is made up of 5 columns, represented by icons, and 3 scoring blocks. Each column has 12 spaces, with 60 spaces overall on the board. The objective of the game is to fill as many spaces on the board as possible and score the most points in doing so. When the game begins, the play number at the top left will roll, and a number and icon will appear. You will need to place the number on the board under the column indicated by the icon by clicking on the space you would like to place the number in. You must make your decision on where to place the number within the time indicated by the timer at the top right. If you do not select a space during that time, the number is gone and you will not get that number again. You will get the numbers 1 through 90 in random order, and the numbers will not repeat. Remember, there are only 60 spaces on the board, so you will not be able to use every number that comes up. If there is time left on the clock once you place a number, you can change your mind and click a new space for that number to move it, or click on the number to remove it from the board until the timer is up. When the time is up, a new number and icon will appear in the top left, and you repeat the process. In addition to the 5 icons representing the columns, you also have a wild icon, which means the number appearing with it can be placed anywhere on the board. There are some important rules and strategies to remember when placing numbers. First and foremost, each column must be in ascending order. So if you put 30 in the second row of a column, you cannot place 20 in the third row of that column, and likewise, you could not put 40 in the first row. The objective is to fill the board and earn the most points. Each number on your board earns you 10 points, but in order to score the most points overall, there are also several strategies to gain additional bonus points. Each filled column gives you 150 points, and each filled block gives you 200 points. There are 2 rows designated odd-even. If the numbers placed in that row are either all odd or all even, you get 150 points per row. There are also 3 rows designated ascending. If the numbers are placed in ascending order from left to right, you will get 250 points per row. Think carefully about the strategy you will use to earn the most points. Have fun and good luck!